Beneath the old oak, where the green hills sleep, I heard your voice in the evening breeze. The river was glowing, the valley was still, and moonlight rested upon every hill. You took my hand and the world faded away, like an ancient dream at the close of the day. And softly you whispered beneath stars above, Mogra Mokri, my love, my heart. A kiss beneath the ancient oak, where every leaf remembers us, where Irish winds carry our words, and time itself grows quiet. Pokfuin dara harsa, fan leon godio. Kiss me beneath the ancient oak, Mogra na fagme. That night, while silver moonbeams filled the room with light, you told me the stories your grandmother knew of warriors and lovers beneath skies of blue. And somewhere beyond us the old legend stirred in the whisper of ravens and every soft word. I knew in that moment, whatever may come, my heart had found home where your heart had become. A kiss beneath the ancient oak, where every leaf remembers us, where Irish winds carry our words, and time itself grows quiet. Pokfuin dara harsa, fran leon godeo. Kiss me beneath the ancient oak, Mogra na fagme. Should carry us far from this place, I'll still see the moonlight upon your face. Through storm and silence, through winter and spring, I'll hear your voice in the old oak sing. Foi skath and darach, bei midle kele godio.